How to review a product on Temu. Just got a product from Temu and want to review it but don't know how. Don't worry, we got you covered. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. In this video, we will be showing the easiest way to review a product on Temu. So first thing first, open Temu on your device. On bottom middle of your screen, you will see this option use, so tap on it. Now tap on this option review. And here you will see all the items that you have ordered from Temu. So here simply select a product that you want to review. So on each product on right hand side you will see this option leave a review, so tap on it. So here you can review in multiple ways. So first thing first, here you can see this option to add photos and videos. So here you can simply add the photo and video of the product. Next you can share your experience with your product by writing on this box. And last thing, ratings. You can either leave it a 5-star or simply decrease it depending upon how you find the product. And last thing, here you will see this option hide your profile photo and name. So here if you want to hide your profile information, simply tap on this box. And after you are done with everything, just tap and submit. So this is how you can review or rate a product on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.